I am Deck Cadet Gladian D. Villaflores and I will be demonstrating Morse code throughout light signaling alpha to echo. Alpha. Diver down. Bravo. Dangerous goods on board. Charlie. Affirmative. Delta. Keep clear. Echo. Turning to starboard.
Cadet Villarubia Christian Floyd, and I will be demonstrating the Morse code through light signaling. Foxtrot. I am disabled. Golf. I require a pilot. Hotel. Pilot on board. India. I am changing my course to port. Juliet. I am on fire, keep clear of me. Kilo. I wish to communicate with you.
I am Deck Cadet Joshua Bertwhite. I will be demonstrating Morse code through light signaling. L. It means you should stop instantly. M. It means I am stopped or I am making no way in water. N. It means negative or no. O. It means man overboard. And P. If in harbor, it means all personnel should report on board. And if the vessel is a fishing vessel, it means my net has come fast upon an obstruction.
I am the Cadet Yaeso and I will be demonstrating the Morse code through light signaling. Quebec. I am healthy and I request free pratik. Romeo. No ICS. Sierra. I am operating astern propulsion. Tango. I am engaged in pair trolling. Uniform. You are running into danger.
I am the Cadet Ibanez Roger Isabili and and I will be demonstrating the Morse code through light signaling. So first on, it's V, Victor, and the Morse light is and its meaning is I require assistance. The next is W, whiskey. So the Morse light is so its meaning is I require medical assistance. And next is X-ray. So X-ray is and its meaning is stop your intention and watch my signal. So the next letter will be Yankee or Y, Yankee. So its Morse light is dash, dash, dash. So its meaning is I am dragging my anchor. So the last one is Zulu. Its Morse light is